Yes, so let's start. So what's our plan today? What should we do, inshallah?
Today I will complete Unit 12.
Yes, we should complete Unit 12. Okay. Any questions before we start?
No,
No. Right. So what did we study last lesson?
our last lesson we did grammar and vocabulary.
Yes, and what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to have relaxed in home.
So I am going to relax at home. Right.
Yes.
What about your school plan this week? What are you going to study? Are you going to have any quizzes at school?
Yes. I'm going to study math for my
Okay,
exam.
excellent. So you are going to study for math exam. Yes, perfect. So
Yes.
today, inshallah, let's complete, as you mentioned, Unit 12. Actually, this unit is really useful for you. And let's start again with the next grammar or the next vocabulary focus, weather and the seasons. By the way, what's your favorite season or what's your favorite weather, Jude?
Um, winter.
Winter, right. So, and how many seasons are there in your country?
Fall.
Four seasons,
No. Yes.
right?
Fall.
Yes. So, which season are we in now?
Winter.
Winter, right. So, which season are January, April, July, and October in? So, how
Mm,
many months are there in winter? Do you know the month of the winter in your country?
yes. Maybe until
Hmm. So,
maybe to March.
to until March. So,
Yes, maybe.
December. Now we are December, uh,
Yes.
January,
Yes.
February,
January,
right?
February, March.
March. So, you
Yes.
mean winter continues or lasts for 4 months or 3 months?
Yes.
No. We have four seasons, and each season should last for
3
only
months.
3 months. Only 3 months.
Yes.
So
Then it's
winter
to
starts,
February.
yes, exactly. So winter starts in December and it ends in February, as you mentioned, right?
Yes.
After
Right.
that, you should have another season. So here, the main
Mm.
focus of this, as you see, weather conditions. Weather conditions. And what is the weather like today, by the way? Today,
Yes.
today in your
So,
city. What is the weather like in
um,
your city today?
it's cold.
Yes, really cold, actually. It's cold,
Mm-hmm.
right? So here, what
Right.
should you do, yeah, Jude? Match uh, the picture to the right weather conditions. But before you match, please, let's read them. Can you read, please?
Yes. It's cloudy.
Mm-hmm,
It's snowing. It's foggy.
mm-hmm.
It's warm. It's sunny. It's raining. It's hot. It's cool. It's windy. It's cold. It's wet. It's icy.
Okay, perfect. So do you know all of them? Any questions? Are they clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now describe each picture, please. What's the weather like in A?
Foggy.
It's foggy. B.
Yes.
What about B?
B. It's
Mhm.
not sunny, so it's maybe windy or no?
No,
No,
it's
not
cloudy.
windy.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
cloudy,
cloudy.
right? Here clouds يعني فيها
Right.
غيوم. طيب what about C? What is it like?
Um. C.
Yes.
I think it's cool because
No.
it's not too hot.
You can say it's warm.
Yes,
It's warm.
maybe.
You can say warm. Yeah. Not hot, not cold.
Yes.
Then what about
Yes.
D? Here, the flag
B,
is moving.
it's maybe
Mm,
moving, so it's windy.
exactly. What about E?
E, icy.
Yes. And this one, F,
Cold.
cold. Or you can say cool. You can say cool. We have
Yes.
cool. It's cool. As if you were
Yes.
in playing or switching on the AC. Type G, what is the weather like?
Sunny.
It's hot. Oh yeah, it's sunny. Yeah. H,
H, it's snowing.
no, perfect. I,
I, it's cold.
yes. J,
J, it's raining.
raining. K,
K, it's hot.
it's hot. And finally, it's
L, it's wet.
it's wet. Yes, perfect. So yes, I already asked this. Okay. So the first question you already answered. What about two? Is the weather usually like this at this time of the year?
No, it's not.
You mean it's really cold? It's colder than last year in December?
Yes.
I
Yes.
agree with you. Yes. So the weather today is colder than or much colder than the same time last year.
Yes.
Yes. Type,
Yes.
I think I asked this question. What's your favorite season? This is okay.
Yes.
And what is the weather like again at that time?
At
And
this
why?
time,
And why you like it? Yes. Why you like the winter? Why you like the cold weather? Why?
because it's be cold and
Mhm.
sometimes it's be raining
Mhm.
and yes, and I like to sit outside when I study sometimes.
Perfect.
Not always, but because the weather's so good. Yes, and
Yeah. Yeah. Great.
yes,
Excellent. So, yes, once you have the good weather, cold one, as you mentioned, it's a good chance for you to study outside, to enjoy the fresh air.
yes,
And sometimes you can go to the park, you can exercise, you can walk. This is normal life.
yes.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
stop using the AC. Yes, this is great. I totally agree with you. And me too. I do the same. I feel super happy once it's cold. So, here, so this is the end of the vocabulary. Let's move to the grammar focus. As you know, Jude, weather is really important everywhere. That's why
Right.
you can see different nations celebrate the beginning and the end of seasons. Okay, like this in Japan, for example. Okay, so they
Mm-hmm.
have let me say too much snow. You can see snow
Right.
around the year. So
Mm-hmm.
here, how which season do you think people are celebrating in each photo? This photo, for example, what do you think? Which season?
It's winter.
It's winter. And
Yes.
what about this? What about this picture? Which season?
Um, it's how I say
Mhm.
this? Um,
I think it's fall. It's
yes,
autumn.
fall.
الخريف يعني. طيب, what about this picture? What do you think?
It's Rabi, maybe.
Maybe
That's
spring.
means
Spring,
spring.
right?
Yes,
Spring.
spring.
So here in this reading, um, we should read about this, how people celebrate different occasions based on the weather conditions. What about you? Is people or are people in your country or do people in your country celebrate the start of any seasons?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Like here, let's read about this and answer the questions. So please
Okay.
read the first one. You can celebrating the season, celebrating the season. So skim this quickly.
Okay.
Skim, just focus on the main ideas, then read questions and answer. This in Japan.
Yes. Okay, I'm done.
Right. What about the second one?
Okay.
Okay. Are you
Yes.
done? Right. Now
Mm-hmm.
let's read the questions. True or false? Yes, number one.
Um,
For 1 week
yes.
in February,
Yes, true.
7 days means week in February. This is true. Right. Next two on the question. Create amazing sculptures. What does mean sculptures? Out of snow and ice.
Like, زينة.
Sculptures.
أو
Sculptures as you see in the
زينة.
picture يعني شكل أشكال يعني sculptures.
Yes.
رسومات أشكال like this. Is it true or false?
True.
2 million? No.
No, false, not too many.
False. 2 million visitors. ده عدد الزائرين. لكن around here
Around 400. Oh, no.
400 sculptures.
Yes.
And
Yes.
this for students. Okay, the students.
Uh,
Okay,
mm-hmm.
they didn't a group of students, right?
Right.
March, the third question. March 22nd, the longest day of the year. This is the second
Um,
paragraph.
no. False.
False, because the day and the night are equal. And this is true, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
يعني 22nd of March يعني اللي عندنا 12 hours night and 12 hours daytime.
Mm-hmm.
يعني الليل والنهار قد بعض بالضبط. 22nd of March في العالم كله ما هو بس عندنا. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next one. During the festival, people go to
Mm,
the Nowruz Bayram. People go to the theater to see plays.
true.
Yes, here candle to special theater. Yes, performance in the street. In the street, right? But here,
Yes.
go to the theater.
No, it's in the
Place
street.
in the street. This is false. طيب. In Sweden, people always celebrate Midsummer's Day on June 24th.
Um,
Mhm. In Sweden, here,
true.
all over the world. but in particular in Sweden. Celebrate on Friday, Saturday nearest June, yes, okay, by dancing around the huge maple. So Friday and Saturday nearest to June. So read the question here. Always celebrate summer, Midsummer's Day on June. Okay,
No, false.
false, because this is around people around the world, but in Sweden different. Okay, they only
Yes.
celebrate Saturdays and Fridays before this. That people think that
Not
bringing flowers into the house is lucky.
true.
Yes, this is true. Next, harvest festivals are most popular along the fast coast of the USA.
Um,
Harvest. What does mean harvest? Harvest festival. الحصاد يعني.
um,
موسم الحصاد.
yes, true.
Okay. Northeast of the country. Here, look, northeast. Here, east coast.
False.
Okay, north, not east. Type. The main focus of harvest festivals is to celebrate food produced in the area.
Um,
Yes. Huh?
true.
Celebrating what? Local food. Like here
Yes.
in, I think you have the same festival in some regions, like Al Qasim. They celebrate the beginning of dates, موسم
Right.
البذور.
Yes.
Okay, you can see people celebrate this. This is harvest season for them, right? So at the
True.
end of this year, yeah, Jude, as you see, so weather conditions can help people do different activities, right? They feel happy. They do different activities, and this is great actually. And this way, this reflect the culture of the place. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. So you can read it again, and before writing about weather conditions or weather festivals in your country, you can do this, please. So here, which festival do you think sounds most or the most interesting in your opinion, based on the reading?
Um,
And
I
which one you
think
would like to have in your country, for example?
I think I want to have the Japan.
Uh-huh.
Um,
The first one.
yes, the
Yeah.
first one.
Yes, to see too much snow in your streets. Okay.
Mm,
Do you have any similar festivals in your country?
I don't think.
Yes, yes, you have. You have, as we mentioned in Qasim, they celebrate
Yes, that's
the
true.
start of, yes, harvest festival, harvest. And I think in Abha, I think also they celebrate the flowers, the purple flowers, purple
Yes,
trees, I think. So
yes,
what
yes.
are they? What do people do where? Have you ever been there?
No.
No. So you should read about it and know that the exact time of this festival and you can enjoy. It's fantastic
Mm-hmm.
place actually. Right. So now this is the end of the grammar focus. Now let's come to the second grammar focus of Unit 12, would like and want for future wishes. Let me ask you, Jude, what would you like to do in the future? What would you like to be, inshallah?
I think doctor. Yes,
Yes.
doctor.
So you would like to be a doctor or you want
Yes.
to be a doctor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Type another question, please. What would you like to do this summer break or summer holiday or summer vacation? Again, what would you like to do in your summer
Uh,
break?
I would go to my no.
So I
I
would
would
like
go
to,
to. I
I
would
would like to,
visit
yes,
visit my family.
Excellent. So I would like to visit my grandparents, for example. I would
Yes.
like to visit London. For me, I would like to visit London this summer. Okay. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so what is the difference here? For future, for future inattention, you is going to. Do you remember going to? This one, going to. For future
Mm-hmm.
inattentions. خلي بالك ركزي هنا. حاولي اربطيهم ببعض. Future inattentions. Again, what does it mean inattentions?
يعني
يعني plans. يعني في نية في تخطيط.
yes.
Future plans. But when you have an intention or a plan, you is going to. Okay? For example, I am going to visit my family this weekend. معناه إن عندك خطة ناوية. But
Yes.
this one, I would like, I would
يعني
like,
مو أكيد ممكن.
means what? حاجة في نفسك wishes. والله نفسي. The future wishes. But you don't have a plan. You don't
Mm-hmm.
have a plan, يا Jude here. Okay? For example,
Right.
I would like to visit Mecca this week. والله الواحد نفسه يروح مكة. هل معناها إن عندي خطة هروح؟
No.
No, but this is wish. والله نفسي بس الله أعلم. Is it clear?
Yes.
Or you can say,
Yes.
I want to go to Mecca this week. Okay, means what? This is what you wish in the future. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
listen to 4 sentences. Which festival is each person talking about? So listen to 4 sentences. خلي بالك, which sentence are they talking about? Listen.
Okay.
Unit 12, Recording 2.
Listening.
1.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
going to meet my friend Monica.
So not this one. Yeah.
I'm not listening anything now.
Not listening.
No.
طيب. Okay, no problem. Let's share it again.
I'd like to take part in the sculpture
Okay, listening
competition
now.
this winter.
Mm-hmm.
Listening.
4.
Yes.
1.
I'd like to see the theatre performances in the street tonight.
2.
Next summer, I want to dance round the maypole.
3.
I'd like to take part in the sculpture competition this winter.
4.
I want to see the pumpkin displays this afternoon.
Again.
Yes.
Unit 12, Recording 4. 1.
I'd like to see the theatre performances in the street tonight.
So we mentioned what? I'd like to see.
I would.
Yes, I'd like to see the theater performances in the street tonight. Which festival? Which one? I think this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
In March, you know. This is what happened in
Yes.
Azerbaijan, Iran, and Turkey. Celebrate the beginning of the spring.
Mm-hmm.
The next one.
2.
Next summer, I want.
Next summer, I want to dance round the maypole.
So I want to, right?
3.
I want
Yes.
dance.
I'd like to take part in the sculpture competition this winter.
I'd like to.
4.
I want to see the pumpkin displays this afternoon.
I want to. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So to
Okay.
express your future wishes, please don't say I will. Don't say I am going to. No, you should say I would like to or I want to. Use any one of them, the same. But here,
Okay.
please, let's focus on the grammar box here. Can you please, Jude, read this? We can use different verbs to talk about future wishes, as well as be going to plus verb. How to say it? Huh? Can you do this, please? I want to. Here, I want to wear traditional costume. I
Yes.
don't want. Do you want to? This is what? Positive, negative, and the question. The three different forms of want to. They would like to. You can say I'd. I'd here, short form of would. I'd like to make
Yes.
some traditional food. Or I wouldn't like to take part in the parade. For the question, would you like to see?
Mm-hmm.
Also use the common time phrases to talk about future wishes. وانت ما تتكلمي عن الفيوتشر ويشز ممكن تقولي next year, next summer, next winter, next month, for example, tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. For example,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to go to Mecca tomorrow afternoon. I want to go to Mecca tonight. I'd like to see my family this weekend, for example. Okay? I would like to go to the cinema today. والله نفسي أروح السينما اليوم. معناها إيه؟ I don't have a plan. بس شيء في نفسي. Okay? شيء نفسي أسويه بس ما عندي plan.
Yes.
If you have a plan, لو صار عندي خطة في الحالة دي لازم أقول إيه؟ I am
I'm
going.
going to.
Clear?
Clear.
Now, what about you? Can you please practice the questions with do, would, or are? Again, use one word
Okay.
only. Use do, or would, or are to complete the sentences. Can you start, please? And after you finish, I
Yes.
should play the audio to check your answers. Yes, go ahead.
Do you want to watch TV this
Right.
evening?
Do you want? Yes, that's right. Mhm.
What would you like to watch?
Perfect. What would you like? Yes.
Are you going to have a busy
Well done.
weekend?
Well done.
What do you like to do?
No.
No?
You mean would,
Yes, right.
because
Would.
he liked to. So would like to. What would you like to do?
Yes,
Mhm.
right.
3.
Do you want to buy
Yeah.
anything special
Yes.
in this few weeks?
Mhm.
Are there any films
Mhm.
you would like to see?
Perfect.
Are you going to celebrate?
Yes.
Do you want to go on holidays?
Yes. That's it. Finally,
Where would you like to go?
let me clap for you. Excellent. Well done, Jude. So now listen again to the questions. After that, I'll ask you the same questions. Let's listen.
Okay.
Recording 5. 1.
Listening?
Do you want to watch
Yes.
TV this evening? What would you like to watch?
Mhm.
2.
Are you going to have a busy weekend? What would you like to do?
3.
Do you want to buy anything special in the next few weeks? What?
4.
Are there any films you would like to see at the moment? Which ones?
5.
Are you going to celebrate a festival this year? Which one?
6.
Do you want to go on holiday this year? Where would you like to go?
Yes. So let me ask you the same question, Jude. Do you want to watch TV this evening?
No, I don't.
If yes, what would you like to watch?
I would watch the new film.
Mhm.
That is called
I
Moana.
would like to, don't forget to please. So I would like to watch a new film. I would
Yes,
like to watch a comedy film, for example.
yes,
Are you going to have a busy weekend?
yes, I do. No.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
Yes. So what would you like to do?
I would go to meet my friends.
Again, could you repeat,
I
please?
would go to. I
I
would
would
go
go to,
to.
I would go to, or I
I
would
would
like to.
go. I would like to go to
That's
meet
it.
my.
Yes, I would like to go to my friend's house, for example. I would like to go to the cinema and so on. طيب,
Yes,
do you want to buy anything special in the next few weeks? What?
yes, I do.
What?
Um, um,
Anything, a new phone, a new dress, a new watch, anything.
I'm going to buy new clothes, maybe.
I am going to buy. So why don't you say I want to buy? السؤال بيقول do you want؟ ما قالكيش are you going to buy؟ يبقى
Yes,
use your
so
wish.
I
Here
want.
you don't have a plan. ما عندنا plan هنا يا جود. So you should say I want. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I want to buy new clothes, for
New
example.
clothes. Yes.
Okay. Or you can say I would like to buy some new clothes. Right? Type.
Right.
Question 4. Are there any films you would like to see at the moment?
Yes,
Which ones?
I would. Yes, I would watch a new film.
طيب, let me write it. I would watch a new film. Huh? Is it correct?
No,
What should you say? What's missing here?
no. So I would
I would. Huh?
like
لا.
to.
أيوة ما ننسي لازم 3 كلمات ورا بعض يا جود. So I would like to وكمل بعدين. I would like to watch a new film. I would like to go to the cinema مثلا. طيب والبديل I would like to ممكن تقول I wanted to. I wanted to نفس بعض. I want to watch أو I would like to watch. لكن I would watch this is grammar mistake. Okay. طيب another one.
Okay.
Yeah, 5. 5. Are you going to celebrate a festival this year?
Yes, I do.
Are you going to celebrate a festival this year? Yes, I am. Which one?
I would go.
Mhm.
I would go to.
I would go to. I would go to. I would
No.
go to. Huh?
No. I want to go.
Yes, I want to go. Uh-huh.
To.
Mhm. Riyadh season, for
mm,
example. Any place.
Yes.
Okay, so I
Okay.
want to go to Riyadh season. طيب, the
Yes.
last question. Do you want to go on holiday this year? Do you want to go on holiday this year?
Yes. I do.
Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? يعني نفسك تروحي فين؟
I would like to go maybe to Riyadh season.
Okay, I would like to go to Riyadh season. Right?
And also you can write I want to go.
Perfect. I want to go to Riyadh season. Excellent. طيب,
Yes.
now Jude, please, can you go to page 160, 160,
Okay.
60 to have further practice to express your future wishes. Here is study 2. Okay,
Yes.
explanation. You can refer to the yes if you want. So, and please here for common phrases to talk about future like today, tonight, tomorrow, tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, this afternoon, this weekend, next month, and so on. So
Yes.
now, can you please practice this?
Okay. Do you want to have a sandwich?
Perfect. Do you want to have a sandwich? Number 2. Mhm.
I would like to buy 2 tickets, please.
Perfect. Wonderful. I would like to buy 2 tickets, please. Great. Type. I think that's yes. Please complete this in your homework. Let's come to exercise 2. Choose the right word.
Okay. Do you want to go to the cinema?
Yes. Do you want to?
He would like to go to a
Perfect.
restaurant tonight.
3.
I'd like to make
Yes.
a
Great.
cake for your
4.
birthday.
Yeah.
She wouldn't. No,
Yeah.
she doesn't.
Perfect. She doesn't want to stay. Type 5.
Would you like to come to a
Yeah.
party
Great.
next weekend?
Yes. 6.
My parents would like to meet you.
Yes. Great. 7.
I don't want to play football this afternoon.
Yes. Great. The last one.
Would they want to
No.
take
Do they want? Yes,
do
because
they
want. Yes. Type. Okay.
Mhm.
Perfect. The last one, quickly, please. You use speak, would, want, ad, or short form of would. Don't do, wants, like. You want to go
Okay.
to the beach. Hmm.
Do you want to go to the
Do you?
beach?
What?
Do you want to
Yes.
go
Next.
to the beach?
What
What would you like
to do tonight?
to do tonight?
Yes. يعني نفسك تسوي إيه اليوم أو الليلة. What would you like to do? طيب, does he?
Yes. Does he want?
Yes. Perfect. They would. They would.
They
Would like
they would like.
to live in the
Mm,
city center. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Please complete this. So finally, Jude, by the end of this lesson, is it clear now how to express your future wishes?
Yes.
How to celebrate the weather conditions in different cities around the world and the weather
Yes.
conditions. Okay, inshallah Rabbil Alameen, we should complete this unit tomorrow, Bismillah. Thank you very much, Jude. Stay safe, take care, have a nice weekend.
Have a nice week.
You too. Thank you.